my head. I know you done thought this was gonna be the secret to how I get my hair to grow so fast, but nah honey, it's just some hair extensions. So if you want to find out all about it, then let go. So the hair that we're going to be reviewing today is from Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions, and you can they have an Amazon store as well as their own website, so you can purchase it one of two ways. The hair that we have today is their kinky curly hair extensions, and I'll show you what it looks like straight out of the packaging. So it comes like this, and when you open it up, you get a thank you card. You also get, well, you get your hair. And you also get a wide tooth comb, some additional clips, and you get a pair of lashes. And you also get a care card just to show you how to, you know, take care of it and all that jazz. So the care package that comes in the box says that you should co-wash the hair. So I did just that with some Aussie conditioner, moisture conditioner, as well as a Shea Moisture like hydration hair mask. And this is what the hair looks like after you wash it. It is a little bit frizzy, but I prefer this because I felt like the way it came was just too perfect, and it was just like obviously like not your hair. So this is what it looks like. So I went ahead and I braided my hair. I left my hairline out, and I also left a side part here so I could get a parting in so my hair just doesn't go all the way back. So, and I flat twisted this and just tiny bumped it. I don't know why, because I'm going to put gel in my hair anyways. But this is what we're going to start off with. And of course, I use some hairpins and I just pin my hair back. Alright, so now I'm just going to apply the clip-ins, and we're just going to speed through this part because I think it's pretty straightforward. I mean, they're just clips and you attach them to like your braids. And I've never actually done this before, so I'm just going to play around with the pieces in terms of placement to see where they end up. So the key to getting your clip-ins to look super nice and natural is placement. So you don't want to place the clip-ins too far apart, because then your hair is just going to look super thin, and who wants that? Like, that's not why you be getting clip-ins. You don't want thin hair. That ain't it. So just playing around with the placement and ensuring that your hair looks full. I do recommend you flat twisting your hair instead of cornering it, because it's super hard to get the clips in corners because it's braided so tightly. And I just went in with the 3 clip-ins at the back of my head, and then when I got closer to the middle of my head, I used the 4 clip-ins, which are the larger one, which is the longest one. Of course, if you were just using the clip-ins to fill in your hair, 1 pack would be sufficient, but because I'm using it to cover all of my hair, to basically do like a whole thing, I use the 2 packs. So I use the 2 clip-ins at the front of my hair, and I just put it in the direction that I wanted my hair to fall. And then I also used the 1 clip-ins, which I ended up having 2 of, and just filling in the gaps where they were. So now to get the curls in a state that will match my natural hair better, I'm going in with some curling mousse and just taking a wide tooth comb and detangling that. So the curls come super defined, but my hair isn't as curly as this, so I just went through with the comb to loosen the curls up a bit, just so it could match my hair, because we know so we want it look natural. That's what we're going for. We don't want people to know that we got clip-ins in. Like, we just want them to think like, oh my god, her natural hair is so bomb, and you say thanks, I bought it, and they'll be like, no. So that's what we're going for. So now to get my leave out to blend in, all I did was just add some gel and hair oil. And I did wash my hair before this. So this is the leave-in conditioner mixing with the gel. And that's why my hair looks so white, but it will dry clear. Y'all will see. So I'm just getting my parting in where I wanted it and just smoothing that out, ensuring that it blends with the rest of my hair. And of course, making sure that my hair covers all of the base of the clip-ins, because we don't want them tracks to show. That ain't hot.com. Like, that's not what we doing in 2019. That's not what we want for our lives. Our hair gotta be slayed. And of course, I'm just getting my edges in and laying down the sides, and bam, look at that. So this is the end result, I think the hair looks super natural and nice. It blended really well with my hair. I did detangle it quite a bit, and so it's a little bit more frizzy than I would have liked, but I think it still looks good. I think the hair looks super natural. Let me just show you what the back looks like. I think it looks full, but not like, oh, she has on a wig or oh, she has on clip-ins. I think it looks super natural and nice. So in the beginning, I did show you guys that the hair comes with some lashes. I decided to wear the lashes for this video. I think they look super nice, especially for like lashes that you didn't pay for, like just added bonuses. I think they're definitely wearable, so that is great. Just to recap, I did use 2 packs of the 16-inch, and on Amazon it is for $72.90. And of course, I did say they have an Amazon store as well as their own store, but you get prime shipping with Amazon, so you can get your hair fast. Yes, slay. Alright guys, so we've reached the end of this review. I really hope this was helpful for you, and that if you like what you see, that you'll consider picking up these hair extensions from Amazing Beauty. I feel like clipping's been missing all my life. I can just think of all the styles that I'm going to be doing with these now. Like, look out for it. It might be coming here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was helpful, be sure to give this bad boy a thumbs up. And if you like what you see here, subscribe. We got lots of videos for you to watch. Like, what you waiting on? What you waiting for? Subscribe, become a sweet, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.